Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. Many women want hairstyles that are stylish, comfortable and easy to manage every day. A good low maintenance haircut can save time, look beautiful and boost confidence. As we get older, hair texture can change. Some women may notice thinner hair, grey hair or dry hair. That is why choosing the right haircut becomes very important. The perfect hairstyle should look fresh and natural without needing too much styling. One of the most popular low maintenance haircuts is the short bob. A bob haircut looks elegant and modern on women over 50. It is easy to wash, dry and style. A chin length bob can frame the face beautifully and make hair look fuller. Layered bob haircuts are also a wonderful option. Layers add movement and softness to the hair. They help thin hair look thicker and more lively. This haircut works well with straight, wavy or slightly curly hair. Pixie haircuts are another favorite choice for women who want simple and stylish hair care. Pixie cuts are short, stylish and very easy to manage. They dry quickly and require very little styling time. Many women love pixie cuts because they look youthful and confident. Short layered pixie styles are especially beautiful. The layers add texture and volume while keeping the hairstyle light and modern. Women with grey or silver hair often look amazing with this haircut. Shoulder length hairstyles are perfect for women who prefer medium hair. This length is easy to maintain and gives many styling options. You can leave it natural, tight back or create soft waves for special occasions. Shag haircuts are also becoming very popular. A shag haircut has soft layers and natural texture. It gives a relaxed and trendy look without too much effort. This hairstyle works well for women with naturally wavy hair. Curly hairstyles can also be low maintenance. Many women over 50 choose natural curls because they look soft and lively. A layered curly haircut helps curls stay bouncy and easy to manage. Using a little curl cream can keep the hair looking fresh all day. Grey hairstyles are now more fashionable than ever. Many women proudly wear their natural grey or silver hair. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.